Okay, I'm Tyler with Thomas Sewing Center, and this is your free motion tip for the day. Today I'm going to talk about how to fill equally if you're doing an all-over free motion stipple. That can be a trial for people in their throat space of their machine to make sure that they fill evenly and consistently across the entire length of their frame. So the way I like to do it, especially for beginners, is I like to segment it so that you're concentrating on one section at a time before you move on. So in this one, we're going to fill this entire section before we move on, and that way we get in the habit of filling our entire throat space and using it the most effective way. One way you can do this is to mark it off in sections even smaller, because I like to fill up and down. Some people like to fill side to side. You can mark it side to side, but this is just the way that I prefer to do it. To mark all these with my handy dandy erase pen. So now I'm going to go to my machine and I have it set on 12 stitches per inch. And I'm going to start at the bottom corner. I like to start at the bottom because usually I don't have this basted on like I do here. It's a much bigger quilt. And so by starting at the bottom of my throat space and moving up, when I get to the top and come back down, I can see where I've started, so I don't hit the bottom of my quilting space and have a flat spot. So I'm going to go ahead here. And you can see in here I'm staying within my marked area. I'm making the same sort of stipple shape, looks kind of like an ear or a dog bone, and I'm going to work my way all the way up within this first area. When I get to the top of my space, here you can see I'm going to swing around and come back down in the second space that I've created here. You can see I did the same thing here, and now I'm going to go back up.